Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment week 4th, assignment 4th, the psychology of language. The first question is restricting airflow at dash locations within the oral cavity produces a consonant sound. So these are the option: edge of obstruction, locus of control, place of articulation, point of no return. So let's check the answer of our first question. Question first, place of articulation describe the location along the vocal tract where the obstruction occurs to produce a consonant. The answer of our first question is C. Now the second question is A of and dash is a vowel combination that is perceived as a single phenomena. So these are the option: amalgam, diphthong, heterophone, shawa. So let's check the answer of our second question. Question second, a diphthong is a vowel combination that is perceived as single phenomena. Phoneme. So the answer of our second question is B, diphthong. Now the third question is the frame then content model explains babbling in term of repeated dash movement. So these are the options: jaw, lip, throat, tongue. So let's check the answer of our third question. Question third, the frame then content model viewing babbling as driven by the motor system without auditory input, coupling of jaw movement with phonation. So the answer of our third question is A, jaw. Now the fourth question is, as per the dual stream model, the ventral stream is also known as the dash stream and the dorsal stream is also known as the dash stream. So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is B. Now the fifth question is, according to the Wernicke-Goswin model, dash is a band of neural fiber extending from the temporal lobe to the frontal lobe. So these are the option and let's check the answer of our fifth question. Question fifth, the arcuate fasciculus, a band of fibers extending from Wernicke's to Broca's areas, connect speech perception and production. So the answer of our fifth question is A, arcuate fasciculus. Now the sixth question is, damage to the cerebellum can lead to a condition known as dash, which is a motor speech disorder characterized by poor articulation of phonemes and prosody. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of sixth question. Question 6, dysarthria is a speech disorder the result from damage to motor area of the brain. So the answer of our sixth question is C, dysarthria. Now the seventh question is, a dash model is a computer program that simulates a cognitive process in a manner that is consistent what is currently known about human cognition. So these are the option: cognitive, computational, forward simulation. So the answer of our seventh question is B, computational. Now the eighth question is, babbling altered as the infant approaches and manipulates a novel object is called dash directed vocalization. So these are the option: infant, novelty, object, subject. So the answer of our eighth question is C, object. Now the ninth question is, a consonant sound like B or P that is produced by bringing the upper and lower lip together is called dash A of and dash consonant. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is B, bilabial. Now the 10th question is, dash aphasia is a condition in which brain damage leads to a loss of speech production without a loss of speech comprehension. So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is B, expressive. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.